Hey guys, welcome to TechBoard, and everybody is asking me about the theme that I'm using on my Redmi Note 5 Pro. So I thought I should make a video on it, and some users are also having some issues with this theme. So in this video I will be telling you all about this theme. So this is 2 minutes tech, let's get started. First of all, the thing that is important is the name of this theme, and the name is Oxygen 999. So all you have to do is that go to the themes app and search for Oxygen 999 and simply download it and apply. The best thing that I love about this theme is the icons and the notification panel. The icons are simple and just great. So now the things that will confuse you is the customization. So I have customized this theme on my Redmi Note 5 Pro. First of all, coming on to the lock screen, now as you can see everything is set on Oxygen 999 or Oxygen 999, but not the lock screen. I have set the lock screen to the default because I like to keep the things as simple as possible. Now moving on to the other customizations, then I have also changed the font of this theme and also the lock screen wallpaper including home screen wallpaper. As I said, I like to keep things simple as possible, then my font is also simple. This is what I think. The font that I have used in this theme is named as Sweetie. Quite attractive font name, right? I have also included the links that were possible to everything related to this theme in the description of this video, so it will make the things simple for you to do. Now moving on to the last and final things, that are wallpapers. As you can see on the lock screen, there is this panda wallpaper that is asking for some color, and on the home screen there is this Pokemon wallpaper that is just awesome, and I am happy with it and I have never thought of changing it. So links to these wallpaper are also given in the description below, so you can check that out. This was all regarding the theme that I am using on my smartphone. If you still have some confusion, you can comment below and I will reply the comments as soon as possible. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, feel free to subscribe. Thank you for watching, meet you in the next one.